Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Now, for any of my subscribers, you may have noticed that I haven't uploaded for around 3 weeks. In addition to that, I've also changed the channel name, the channel profile picture and the channel banner. Now, if any of you have clicked on this video and are just confused, this was JTech channel and I've now changed it, and I'm going to explain why in this video. So for the 3 weeks I haven't been uploading, for the 3 weeks I haven't been concentrating on any YouTube related thing. I've actually been concentrating on myself. I've sat myself down and I've actually give time to think about myself, my just personal self, personal health, mental health, physical health, everything. My finances, my goals of where I want to be in the future, and most importantly, how I'm going to reach my goals. So most people's goals are probably fame and success and stuff like that, but mine aren't. My goals are genuinely just to have enough. So my goals are to live comfortably, debt free, have my own house, have a nice car, not even a nice car, just a car. And I just want to have enough, guys. I don't want this infinite wealth. I just want enough, to be fair. So upon taking a big deep dive into my finances, it quickly became apparent actually that I could no longer do tech YouTube. For how my situation is at the minute, unfortunately it's just not in my best interest to be buying a new piece of tech. Even though it was just budget tech, it's just not in my best interest to be spending that money weekly to do videos. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm passionate about tech and I'm passionate about YouTube, and with the holidays coming up, I'm sure to be getting a little bit of tech. So I may still do the odd review for if people give me anything, but I can't call this a tech channel anymore because I can't guarantee tech content. So a lot of people are probably thinking now, this guy's young. I'm 19 years old. I live at home with my parents and I have a job full time. But my full-time job is actually just an apprenticeship, and I'm in my 3rd year, and even when I'm qualified, I only get paid £8,000. Oh no, sorry, I think it was £7,000 below the annual salary average, sorry. So that's not the plan forever. Obviously I do want to branch out. I want to make more money in the trade, or maybe in something completely different. But for now, that's what I'm earning. And in addition to that, I wasn't a very clever 18-year-old, and let me explain that. So I was 18 and I just got a pay rise at work, and as many people do in the world, when you get a pay rise at work, they want to upgrade their way of living. So I went out and I saw a nearly new car. It was like a couple of years old, but it had only done 19,000 miles, and I financed it straight away. Didn't think about it, impulsive decision. There was an event that led to me needing a car, which I will cover in another video, but I financed it straight away, which landed me in about £10,000 worth of debt. It wasn't crippling debt, and I've never struggled. So I've never struggled with the monthly instalments. I've always paid it just fine, but it's still like a dark cloud over your head knowing it's there, and it's still on your credit report and your credit history, which can actually help your credit history, don't get me wrong. But yeah, at the minute it's around £7,000 as I've had the car for 1.5 years, so I am getting there and I will pay it off, but I won't pay it off a lot quicker than the expectancy of 5 years that it is currently. So, brings me on to my goals. One of them, obviously, if you didn't notice, is to be debt free. I've brought a book that was recommended by Matt Devour. It's come today, I'm going to read it. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is yet because I can't currently recommend it. but I definitely will be doing that in about a month or so, as long as the book has actually helped me. So look out for that video if you are looking for a book to cure your finances, or just go out and check out Matt Davella. He's a huge YouTuber, and he's a minimalist, which I will go into in another video. My second goal was the one I had to think about, because it was the one that I had to think, what do I want to put my time into? And that was this, YouTube. For me, a big investment is time, so I had to think carefully about it, and this is the thing that I've been passionate about since I was like 12 years old. And I've had channels and they've never gone anywhere because I've never stayed motivated, but I feel like at this age, this is where I've got to carry on. Unfortunately, I can't do tech anymore, as I've covered in this video. So I had to think what is my solution to that? And it's just literally documenting this. And it's this, the way I look at it is, if I can help one person, then these videos will be worth it. I'm not bothered about being big YouTuber now, but I will still be active on Twitter, because I've met so many great people through that. If you guys are creators yourself, then hashtag your Twitter post with hashtag small creators, and the small creator community on Twitter, you're guaranteed to meet some great people who make the same content as you, and people who will actually support your channel in return for you supporting theirs. Now, it's not a sub for sub thing or anything like that, it's just showing other creators support. That is all it is, guys. So if you guys would be interested in some insightful, positive, maybe even educational content about finance, life situations, and just stuff like that, just taking your life to the next level, taking your career to the next level, then that's what I'm going to be documenting. It's going to be me trying to get further on this ladder, which is... So yeah, hit subscribe if you're interested in any of that. For all of the current subscribers, if you want to unsubscribe, I'd completely understand. No hard feelings whatsoever, of course. You guys subscribe for tech content. I can't deliver that anymore. So if you guys want to unsub and go elsewhere, feel free. I really, really will have no hard feelings. So yeah, guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.